Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo megidi ye passe ye na yate the base ho sensem eye eku bi a aba foforo mo so etres omo ye political party a eye 2028 omo begina na Ghana fo ato aba ede amom no mo etimi abebu amembu na sa the base eku we bae no ye behwa NPP fo ekoye omo presidential elections ni wie no na ekuwe eyi niti na amanfo bebre ezu ze eye honorable Kennedy Akompreku Japan na ohyehyere na de a ebi mo e kire se on pese obeyi no sisi a opese ohwe hawa eku ne beko ebia se Ganafo eje omotum yie a na obeyi no so no na oye leader. That is a rumors a ekoso na ende yebehu Kumawood actor odi NPP mu akoti yie pa eye ejako odi eyesa the base kuyechi. In fact ono kra na oye leader chese oye campaign akese na nyasem keto akra na NPP fo ni bi ababonten a omo ekire se NPP party no eyade asade we eyaka omo ho amanfo bebre o party ni mu a omo ye greedy omo selfishness nti na omo di party na chi because so omo di party na chi na sa party ni bo omo na se party ni kwa ahohiahia mu a na omo atwe omo ho efi party ni mu na wo de wani ekirem ewo NDC party ni mu omo entisa no matter what empanifo no betinem ene omo adide na wenweni na NPP de omo entisa ejako emboya NPP aboawo wentimi amfo wani anto se NPP akoto aba kandini a obedi omo anim for 2028 na se ninti no buafu na se wo afi party ni mu dia then omo ehu reason bia esese party na esanso bua obi efa no celebrity bia also obe join the party no ehu hia so omo beboa no because nipa na mba because of the NPP party nti yenti nsema omo de etudwa
ya busia munya we breakfast ni mesre ma se mo mehwe video bi ma esi a mewra ahumum ha nipa eye o me ko video ma ni nkomo wate abusia stay with me. Ya busia empanyi focus emi se aboa bi beka wa ni firi ntoma na I'm shocked. Wahu NPP party bi a o ma ye bibra ma Ghana comparing NPP to NDC no ene ma NPP ya ma Ghana wotimi fa NDC to NPP ho but NPP party no greediness bi wo ma wahu like if you support us ko si leaders ne so me you otwe nyado a there's some greediness bi wo NPP mu a eno na ekosi ye party ne downfall ene so Agya wo after all that you benefited from the party just like Canada Japan and win into muma kwakwati mu party the base hey so does loyalty really existing in humanity like everyone Agya who Agya and then kwakwati the base and then when I did the base and him just say simple and just because of say Canada Japan and win abuja so one idea we idea we NPP mu hwe mama say example bi nche o ye woni pa bi no say e fa say fancy comedy emre bi ankofo kobo no me post ye ho video enya threat bebre political movies. Let me talk about these two people several times in my video attack them because you know they have the followers omo ni pa among for sure and then we are working towards a goal to be able to bring back NPP to come and build Ghana abusia my target sample for me several times like kwaminya bi from movie and China na de me yan say nansi ai minya e fene say fancy comedy minya ne number me ne chat say fan of so minya ade na we no bi na me ye na percent NPP mra power because ye pega na yi em chen say me comment me post na me be send you no post am abusu efi won enu ano no up to now Ghana respond me message bi wahu ni nyina ne say so mo no matima ben panyifo nti mo mpese obi beba hobi you see na mo ngo matima di NPP aba power wahu sa selfish suban no ebi na Agya ko mu ye na ye o and ebi na nipa so abo party so mo start am ye no chese mo na ma ben Dr. Baumia mo na ma ben mpanyifo nti chese mo to promo obi mabi mungu so yeah we end discouraging you be guso ya adwumade na ma party ba mungu so na mungu se dem ye na be affect party ni da bi ene bi na ekoso no Agya ko wu ene wu di the base anim se wo nya NPP ni biem agya ko hey na me be tue ni pa binum ka papa. God is going to punish some people. More greedy. More, you see, if as a party see any side greediness na free more. Sa person minkumina, menkwaminya na yeno, yenye free ma. Guys, I don't want. You see, sometimes a crony the me a chrono, menfa adini, menfa rag in 20, me a crony ne crony timi. I wish a crony the me a chrono, me anchen. I don't know where never affected person, but you don't know. Try I normal say ebinum followers see ebinum. So what I say because mo bi ma wo match. You said the likes of Nipa Mabobo Mudino. Ma bembe mpanyefo ma man for mo post bi o mo like it. Me post video and much respect to Charles Opoku Presido. This guy haven't met him in person before or US or UK. Phone say e din komo. But to post me content and it will surprise you kind of fans and likes and comments awonya as compared to mine. At the end of the day ni na bua party no. Na mo to wonom. Just say, what are you panacra at least? Oh, her cry. Only NPP needs some more. No, a trouble, the behind this for Bashian, and at the way a crown work as a petty for crumb. Wow. TMA, my come, yes, I then discourage me. It's not going to discourage me. And I may conquer boost here. Because I mean, a fake alpha for Sobiama. I was some man who are dear no who as some I can no muti and I saw my union control by the NPP. As I would have motor number someone about being for and tell you, Mosha, quantity and you force to be more recognizing Timonia Montanao. Now, someone come back to me the party about power. We live to see. You guys should stop those greediness. And yet, I did when that's a party and never idea can they Japan cheat for you. True NPP members and almost a Canadian winning, just an uncommon side, Canadian winning to know and tell the base. Monko with a CPP, and not crying in another base. Now, maybe 2 years come. Share time an NPP, your power and one. And I can mistakes in getting to be a kind and company for tea, if you can compare in your position. By auntie, and ye neck. So what I say. And yes, be do a party now, can you say a bash party? I had a bit more affected party. No, Pessamim coming too much. On some of our members, Pessamim coming too much. Because some of us near my content I and one near my year come once it can change people's minds. And you guys have the clouds. So what I say, now be posted at the end what I do in your own hunanka one shake. Ohua, like Cromobi. Monquani enimu. Monquaso and between the parties of power. And the more and who is among the separate about power. Individualistic. Pessamim kumina, greediness. Well, what the Munguso? Munguso, but if I come my dear seen or I'll respond to me message beam. Just because of some cast one share my content. What do I benefit? And then the mina. Some of us are on 2-3 jobs. Yes, we find time to do all these things. Now one can say, "We sabotage. We NPP maybe who post on Facebook no atwam. Na dey behind this for Bashian and I'm call for crime few and I say. I go say for no pa. To the motor na monye wicked sa. Na we na discourage you e begu swai. But I'm kwanko you say the pen na mu say you guys are the cause of it. Bye.
My fathers and mothers in Christ, the current legal impasse created by the Akufo-Addo administration on the Promotion of Proper Human Sexual Rights and Ghanaian Family Values Act, which was passed by Parliament, has set a dangerous precedent for our governance. The constitutional directives for action by the President are quite clear and need not have resulted in this stalemate. As I publicly stated, I'm a proud member of the Assemblies of God Church, and my faith does not permit same-sex marriages or relationships. No. Thank you. My faith does not permit same-sex marriages or relationship, nor does it endorse human-animal relationships. Or does it allow people to change their gender as they wish? This is a fundamental belief that I hold and is grounded in my faith. I therefore assure you that the promotion of LGBTQ and all the pluses will have no place in our schools and communities under my administration.
Yebomesu ewo Assemblies of God Church. Waiting na 2 years nye minai ansi hobium. Waiting na 2 years nye minai ansi hobium. The Assemblies of God, this is your product. This is your product. After winning elections, no, and the power say they are important. This is what you produce. Assemblies of God, this is what you produce. This is your product. Your product. When I'm with Tani the Bab one thing, Ghana one thing, so when I'm with the Brian, gay and lesbianism, and I'm with the Brian. Enti muna na mujina omubom nsaguragura edman se wakasa wakanya asasam no and do paka chem say it is no longer important. Na enya bia no sabi o hwe na enim ko wa jiminti obi a ona akasa na dafu no chocho mucho na dafu akasa ne Andrew Solomon ye ka Andrew Solomon na oye gay king kong na dafu akasa no Andrew Solomon grant interview say ono na dafu akasa ne the president. The then president in 2016, John Dramani Mahama, and Tisani Panicachos or no fighting gay and lesbianism by signing the bill for protecting your values. And there were winning elections a year or culture said those things are no longer important. And what's up by a man in 2015, 2024, 2025, and South Africa for couples are omuye gay. Abba Ghana akwa jina ye Independence Square. Efi afe ano Ghana. And the John Dramani Mahama promise a odi ma nyina anechi no obeye mampanyino South Africa for ya omuye gay. Abba Ghana akwa jina Independence Square efi afe ano. Wey no odi brayen wey. What has been done about it? Mwako Jessica edi gay for the baba promoting gay ni lesbianism. Muya mukachire Ghana for say it is no longer important. Telling the clergy about that important because at the end of the day mu dey achieve no amuhwe. Or the achieve kwesuni bemba we e dey achieve no ahwehwe. Na papa we me say papa we sa papa we ya ne yire mun kanche ne yire se me say monita no mun kanchira papa we yere se mesui monita no because obekom no oye gay e no nenam sa papa we me catch your plane nyaachum papa we na eyam yese ade bechi Sunday na Ghana fa dwara ya friends perfume address chotwe se akotena o se omuko asore si member dware Sunday na makotena we anim se me ko asore no mbe nkam be ko village back oti region akonkwanta afuko akom village akotam me nananom abusuma ya reject for years no makofa asasum atna asasum uti ase nyansa biara nim se wo be dware akotena we nim anim so o ko asore nyansa bako nim wey. You are focused on the basic needs of Ghanaians. Basic needs need yen. And this say opa kachre say basic needs need say also obe see a friend say basic needs say obe build 3 stadium in 2026. Now asako build 3 in 2027. And no basic needs. When teachers are we ye juma yentua omukano eno enya basic needs. Basic needs. And then the living conditions of Ghanaians no are cost through to 60s, almost 70%. Almost 70% under your watch. And no enya basic needs. nurses are on market yakam no more deliver on details after database system send ya be ya bend o mukano eno anya basic needs and ye kwatua yo omugu so fight e UN resolution repression when omubu of tantantan say slave trade. What is more slavery than a Ghanaian graduate or ye juma for 10 months 9 months 20 your friends are 15 40 months na yentuane ka akatuane ye say 1000 Ghana cedis 1005 2000 omuka. What is more slavery than that? What is more slavery than that?